Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Where is my Imam? One Sunday afternoon, Maisam and Sumaya arrive home from their week in Islamic school.
Assalamu alaikum children, how is madrasa today?
Wa alaikum assalam, mommy. Sister Khadija taught us about the 12th Imam. His name is Imam Mahdi.
That's wonderful. Did you know that Imam Mahdi is the Imam of our time?
You mean he's alive right now?
That's right. Now come and eat your lunch before it gets cold.
Later that day, Maisam and Sumaya go outside to play hide and seek. Come on, Maisam, where are you? She looks up towards the sky and notices the soft and fluffy clouds gracefully floating in front of the sun. The sun is playing hide and seek too, thinks Sumaya. Sumaya spins around and finds that her brother... Boo! Sumaya spins around and finds that her brother has found her instead. Where were you? At the end of the game, Sumaya asks, Maisam, where is our Imam? We have to know where he is so that we can follow him. Maisam looks around the backyard and thinks about his younger sister's question.
That's a good question. I don't know where he is. Let's go find him.
Both of them start walking in search of the 12th Imam. They look behind trees and under parked benches.
Look, there's Ahmed and Insia. Let's ask them if they know where our Imam is.
Assalamu alaikum, Maisam and Sumaya. Where are you going?
Wa alaikum assalam.
We're trying to find the Imam of our time, but we can't find him anywhere.
Ahmed and Insia also do not know where the Imam is, so they join Maisam and Sumaya in the search. As the children continue looking for Imam Mahdi, they pass more trees, houses, and shops, but they still cannot find the Imam. However, they do notice two more friends, Ammar and Amira. After greeting each other, Sumaya asks, Do you know where the 12th Imam is? We want to find him so that he can guide us to the right path. Amira pauses for a moment and taps her chin thoughtfully. We have never looked for him before, but he must be around here somewhere helping people out. The large group of children continue to search for their Imam. Along the way, they come across a mosque.
Why don't we look for the 12th Imam in the mosque? The mosque is like the house of Allah, and he's the Imam of Allah, so he might be there.
The children enter the mosque just as the teachers from the madrasa are leaving. Sumaya sees her teacher, Sister Khadija, leaving and calls her name. Sister Khadija, Assalamu alaikum, we need your help.
Wa alaikum assalam. What are all of you children doing here long after the madrasa is finished?
During class, you said that Imam Mahdi is our Imam, our leader. We're trying to look for him so that we can follow him, but we can't find him anywhere.
Let me explain. Imam Mahdi is our leader, but he's in a ghaiba right now. He's living in this world, but Allah has made it so that we are not able to recognize him. Imam Mahdi was only 5 years old when he became the Imam of our time. His life was in danger. Allah has kept the identity of the Imam hidden to protect him from any enemies and to make sure that he's always here to guide us. When Allah decides that the time is right, then our Imam will appear and bring peace all over the world. But even now, Allah lets the Imam visit people in need if they call on him.
Sumaya smiles. That's just like when we were playing hide and seek before. Maisam, you hid under the slide and I couldn't find you for a while. Even though I didn't see you, you were still there and could see me.
That's right. Then I jumped out and surprised you.
But why does the Imam have to stay in Ghaiba for such a long time?
Allah will send the 12th Imam when there are enough faithful Muslims to help him. In the meantime, you must get to know our Imam better and increase our love for him.
What should we do while we're waiting for Imam Mahdi?
We should offer our salams to him every day, give sadaqah for his safety, volunteer in the community, and help people in need, and learn more about Islam and stay away from bad actions.
How will we know when Imam Mahdi alayhi salam reappears?
Allah will make his arrival known to the whole world. At that time, there will be a heavenly voice announcing that the Imam has reappeared. And if we are among the best of believers, then when we answer the call, we will all of a sudden be taken to Mecca to be with our Imam.
Wow! So we don't need to look for him anywhere. Allah will send him when the time is right. Thank you for explaining that to us, Sister Khatija, says Sumaya. Can you tell us more stories about the 12th Imam? Asked Insia.
Sure, next week at Madrasa. But for now, let us recite the dua for the protection and safety of Imam Mahdi.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد اللهم كن لوليك حجة ابن الحسن صلواتك عليه وعلى آبائه في هذه الساعة وفي كل ساعة وليا وحافظا وقائدا وناصرا ودليلا وعينا حتى تسكنه أرضك طوعا وتمتعه فيها طويلا